Today I have a trade package opening from Corky2828, and it came in this mailer. And first we traded for was this Rilakkuma pen, and it writes pink and blue. Super cute. Next we traded for this Iwako macaron eraser. Then we traded for this Iwako Sunday puzzle eraser. And then we traded for this bunny mold. Super cute. Oh, and she wrote a note, and I accidentally ripped it when I opened the package. So thank you. It's very cute. And then she gave me some extras in this baggie. Let me open it. So she gave me this deco bun. And she gave me a lot of these Uzura. I think they're Mamagoma. Yeah. Papers. Super cute. And she gave me this baggie with lips and polymer cane slices and a gem. And then she gave me this white mushroom eraser. And then she gave me a little tube of red glitter. So thank you very much, Corky. Appreciate it. Bye.